over 10,000 personnel, disclosing who we are and what we believe. It is as Stephen Hawking stated, that we are very, very small, but we are profoundly capable of very, very big things. Welcome to a depiction of Depromat Group, where you open a door, and it opens others. Where you open your mind, and something revolutionary happens. Sit down with us, and discover that no great thing, no transformative invention, was created in a vacuum.
You feel it when you leave your comfort zone and come together with us. Embrace with us faith, cultures, traditions, disabilities, difference. Embrace with us races, ages, ideologies, personalities. Creating a world nobody ever dared to envision.
Diversity and inclusion are synonymous at Depromat, as in our DNA. The Depromat world works best with every personnel in, no personnel out. Every personnel is a cornerstone at Depromat. Our differences, in thought and reasoning, are to our advantage.
Many more valiant sons and daughters in charge. Many more forward thinkers as our driving force. Many more action takers, with a higher risk appetite, than speakers. A new generation of Depromat. More diverse than the one that came before. Diverse is not just who we are, but what we believe as a company. Because diversity and inclusion should coexist.
The truth is, we are different.
The power is we are the difference.
Making impact in our geographic areas of influence.